types of fluid. So fluid may be classified into the 5 types. The first one is my ideal fluid. Next is my real fluid. Next is my Newtonian fluid. Next is my non-Newtonian fluid. And last one is my ideal plastic fluid. Okay. So what is my ideal fluid? Ideal which have viscosity 0, that is called my ideal fluid. Real fluid which have some viscosity, that is called my real fluid. Newtonian fluid is which obeys the Newton's law, that is my shear stress is directly proportional to the shear strain, the velocity gradient, and that is my tau is directly proportional to the du by m1 dy. What is my non-Newtonian fluid? Non-Newtonian is that fluid which does not obey the Newton's law, that is called my non-Newtonian fluid. What is my ideal plastic fluid? So ideal plastic fluid is nothing but which shear stress is more than the yield value. Okay. Is proportional to the rate of shear strain, is known as my ideal plastic fluids. Okay.